Yes. So what we have done, we are having the application of these gates. है ना? So the first application that we are going to study is the half adder. Now in which we have tried to implement a half adder circuit using a XOR gate and a AND gate. Have you understood this? How we have used, how you implemented it? Just looking at the truth table, we have come to know that depending on the probabilities of the input, this truth table, which we are calling this output, which we are calling as sum, is the truth table of a XOR gate, whereas the output which we are calling here as carry is the truth table of AND gate. So we can design a circuit like this using XOR gate and AND gate to implement a half adder circuit. Now, why it is called as a half adder circuit? Because it has not overflowed. Full adder will give you one. Half adder will give you half of the addition. So it is giving you 0 and 1. That's why it is called as a half adder. Now for full adder, we'll require that output of both the inputs, both the outputs, carry and sum should be overflow, means both should be 1. Then only we will be able to call it as a full adder, right? So we are going to implement that full adder also by using this circuit only. Now this whole circuit, now I am putting it in a block, a simple block like this, and I'm calling this as a half adder circuit. This will have two inputs, A and B, and it will have two outputs like this. Is it okay? Have you got this? So this is A, this is B. This one we will call it as sum, and this we will call it as a carry. So this is the block level diagram of a half adder. So simple block square, and we are calling it as half adder. And inside it, we are putting this circuit. So it will have two inputs, A and B, and it will have two outputs like. Why I'm writing like this? Because we are going to use this block only, and then we'll try to design it according to the full adder circuit, right? So for that, now if you start with a full adder, which means that we should have at least three inputs, then only the output will overflow. Now for that three input circuit, we have a truth table, which I guess I can put it over here. Okay, I will put it over here if it is visible to you. So again, we will be having 1, 2, 3, and 4 as the inputs, A, B, sum, carry, and I will be having one more. Sorry, so it will be A, B, C, A, B, and C, three inputs. So in how many probabilities we are supposed to give the inputs? Three inputs, 2 raised to power 3. That is 8. Yes. So 8. So I will go through like 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and lastly we'll have it as 1, 1, 1. So these are the probabilities in which we are expecting to give the inputs, right? Accordingly, we will have the output. Now, if you add them, just go through the addition. This is simple addition again. So 0, 0, 0 will give you sum 0 and carry 0. 2, 0, 0, 1 will give you sum 1, carry 0. Then 0, 1, 0 will give you sum 1, carry 0. 1 plus 1 will give you 0 with a carry 1, right? Then 1, 0, 0 sum with a carry 0. 1, 0, 1, 0 with a carry 1. 1 plus 1 again 0 with a carry 1. And 1, 1, 1 will give you 1, 1. Carry 1 plus 1, right? So this is the truth table of, say, the full adder circuit in which we are expecting to have three inputs, right? Now to implement that circuit, now how we are going to implement that circuit, let's see. So we'll first try with the block diagram, and then we'll try to convert it to a circuit, right? So we'll check that. So I'll be using two half adder circuits in over there. So this is first half adder circuit. I'm writing it as a half adder circuit. This is the carry portion of it. This is having two inputs, A and B. This is the sum. Is it okay? It's a simple circuit. I will be using another half adder circuit in front of the this. So this is a half adder circuit. Again, this is the carry of that, and this is the sum of that, right? Simple. Again, this will have two inputs, two outputs. So I am using one input simply as the third input, C, whereas the sum of the first half adder, I am taking it as the first input or to the other half adder, right? So again, I will be having two outputs. The one will be carry and the other one will be sum. So sum will be the sum only. For carry, what I am trying to do is I am putting a OR gate over here in front of that, and I am taking it as a carry. So this is a carry of second half adder. So you are using two circuits. This is half adder one and this is half adder two, and XOR gate. Have you got this? सिंपल सर्किट बनाया है. जस्ट वी हैव टू इनपुट्स. यहाँ पर सम ऊपर लिखा था, कैरी नीचे लिखा था. यहाँ हम लोगों ने कैरी ऊपर लिखा है, सम नीचे लिखा है, बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू यूज दैट सम to the input sum as the input to the second half adder. I'm putting over here, and the third input will take it directly as a third input as C. Have you got this? And we'll join this carry and give it to a OR gate, and I will call the output of that OR gate as the carry of the whole full adder circuit. Have you got this? Have you understood? हो गया? Any problem? Okay, I guess you have understood. So this is a full adder circuit. Now this is just a block level diagram. Now if you want to implement that, you'll be using this circuit in both the half adders. Then only you can implement. So we'll try that also. Let us try on that. So in this case, I will be again using three lines, three input lines, A, B, and C, like we have used it there. So I will call this as C, and these are A and B likewise. So I'll be using this to, first I will make a AND gate like this. So this is the gate, and second I will be again using this to a XOR gate. This is sum and this is carry. So this is the first carry, right? Have you got this? We can use like this, or you can draw like that also. Simple, same. हम लोग वैसा ही use करते because it will create disturbance, I guess. So I am using this. Yeah, we can join this. No problem. So I'll be using this as A and this as B. These two signals directly. Okay. यहाँ से, sorry. Yes. This is first. Okay. So this is A and this is B. This was carry, this was sum, same as like this. Now it's okay, right? So I'll be using this sum again to the next half adder circuit like this. So we'll be having two terminals. Second terminal I will be taking here as a C. So this is C, right? And this is, we are using it as the another terminal. So yes, this I will be giving it to another AND gate. Like this. This I will be calling it as carry. And now this terminal I am going to give it to XOR gate. हाँ बेटा, एक second. And yes, fully. And we'll be using this for carry. Yes, another OR gate. So we'll call this as carry and we'll call this as a whole sum. Like this. So this is three inputs and two outputs. We have just joined a carry over there to get an output. Have you understood this? Any problems? This is the truth table for the full adder circuit, and this is the block diagram, and this is the circuit diagram of that. using the symbol. So in full adder we are using 5 gates, 5 gates, 2 XOR gate, 2 AND gates, and 1 OR gate. Whereas in half adder we are using only 2 gates, 1 XOR gate and 1 AND gate. Is it easy? Are you able to write on this? Just let me know for there. Here you can build in this kit. In this kit you can implement this half adder and full adder circuit. So if you are able to see over here, this is for knobs are for the power supply. This one is for plus 5 volt and this one is for the ground, right? And we are having AND gates. These are AND gates. So 2 inputs and 1 output. This is also the second AND gate, and 2 inputs and 1 output. Similarly, these are 2 XOR gates, yellow color. So these are inputs and this is output, and this is the another XOR gate. Here we are having the fifth gate, that is the OR gate, right? So we are having the full adder circuit over here. This two will form a half adder circuit, and this two will form another half adder circuit. And if you join that, the circuit like this, you'll get a full adder circuit. Have you understood this? तो फिर हम लोगों को क्या करना है, ये दो इनपुट यूज करना है, कॉमन करने हैं. So this will be carry and sum, sum and carry. Similarly again 2 inputs कॉमन करके एक कैरी और एक सम. कैरी जो रहेंगे एंड गेट के, ये दोनों यहाँ पर और गेट को देने हैं. We have to give it to the OR gate, and this will be call it as a common carry, and one of the inputs will be made common and given to this the second half adder circuit, and we'll call this as the full adder circuit. Have you got this? समझा? सर्किट समझ में आया क्या? So we can implement this on this kit, right? Have you got this? Have you understood this circuit? Again I will repeat, just repeat through that. So this is the truth table of, say, half adder circuit. In this half adder circuit we are expecting to have 2 inputs and 2 outputs. The first is called as the sum and the other one is called as the carry. So I have told you from in a simple words. हम लोगों ने rules से गए. We have started with the rules of addition of binary numbers, and we have done this. So we have added 0 plus 0 will give you 0 with a carry 0. 0 plus 1 will give you sum 1 with a carry 0. 1 plus 0 will give you sum 1 with a carry 0. Right? When 1 plus 1 will give you 0 sum with a carry 1. So if you see this, then it looks like this is the truth table of XOR gate, and this is the truth table of an AND gate. So we can use these 2 gates to make a half adder circuit. So we have implemented this sum and carry circuit by using XOR and AND gate. Any problems? Right? Then we have drawn the block diagram of it, in which we are expecting 2 inputs A and B and 2 outputs sum and carry. Right? Then for full adder we need to have 3 inputs. So we are using these 3 inputs A, B and C. 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 and 1 1 1. So there are around 8 probabilities in which we are expecting to give the input to an full adder circuit, and the expected output will be only 2, that is sum and carry. The reason behind that of having a full adder is both the output, that is sum as well as carry, should be overflown, that is they should be 1 high. So for that only we are calling this as a full adder. So when we use 3 inputs, then only that is called as the full adder. For 2 inputs we will call it as a half adder circuit. Have you got this? Any problem? Have you understand that? Easy, eh? Is it difficult? I guess you have understood this and you are able to write on that. If you have any questions on that, you can ask me right now, or you can put it on WhatsApp also, or you can put it on the chat box, comment box of YouTube channel, right? So I'll be uploading this on YouTube. Even if you have not understood, go through that and you can ask questions, anything. So we'll be doing the practical on that also on this kit itself. We'll try to design it. We'll try to put the cards over there, and we'll check whether it is working properly or not. Is it okay? So thank you very much, and see you in the next class. Thank you.